Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw guys, samahan niyo ako mag-react dito sa cover song ni Aira Covers. Ito yung No More Rhyme ni Debbie Gibson. Napakagandang kanta nito guys. Pakinggan natin kung gaano rin kaganda ang boses ni Aira. Marami-rami rin nag-cover nito guys. Ang kanta nito.
When the fear sets in, when the fire burns, where I found a place.
Grabe. Napaka-smooth ng boses at ang lamig sa tenga.
There's
Ganun.
nowhere to turn when the evening sings an eerie song, longing for the day.
Tsaka ang linaw niya bumigkas guys ng lyrics. Talagang maiintindihan mo mabuti.
You say I'm wrong, you can find your place, but never fit in, and only when you've left
May tattoo pala siya guys sa balikat.
you know where you've been. I can see the light, but only when it's gone.
Grabe. Ang ganda ng boses nito.
You can go on waiting, but only for so long, so long, so long.
Taas din ng boses guys. Pakinggan natin sa chorus. Ito yung mataas na na part.
I know your mind is not always clear, because I've never felt the fear.
Grabe bumirit.
Can you stay so good forever in time? I've always felt the rhythm.
Ano sabi nyo guys? Bagay ba sa kanyang kanta guys? Yung kanyang kinover. I-comment nyo lang guys yung mga reaction sa ating comment section.
What happens when there's no more rhyme? Can we phase ourselves like we phase each other?
Tsaka daman-daman niya talaga guys yung kanyang kinakanta, no? Yung emosyon nandun talaga.
We've never felt anything on our own. I can't wait much longer to feel any danger.
Feeling ko nga guys, pigil pa yung taas ng boses niya dito eh. Malamang marami pang magandang cover to si Aira. Hanapin natin yung mga matataas pang kanta.
I hope we're not living for a lifetime alone. I know we're right, it's not always clear, because I've never felt the fear.
Napaka-smooth. Nakaupo pa siya niyan, partida pa yan. Hindi siya nahirapang kumanta ng nakaupo.
Can it stay so good forever in time? I've always felt the rhythm. What happens when there's no more rhyme?
Ang ganda rin ang quality ng tunog ng mic niya. Ang linaw.
Had to go on, it's like I'm waiting for the other shoe to drop. I never stop believing in you. It's just we never had to struggle.
Yun no, gusto ko yan yung part na yun.
It'll get too easy. I'll be felt what we felt from the start. We've never suffered a broken heart.
Ayan, ito yung mataas na part talaga guys. Pakinggan natin kung kaya niya abutin.
We've been so blinded by all the best. We never put our love to the test.
Grabe, naabot niya guys. Ang taas ng boses. Pwede sa tawag ng tanghalan. Ang ganda rin ng tunog nung ginamit niya -1 ah. Quality yung tunog.
I've always felt the rhythm. What happens when there's no more rhyme?
May nanalo na. Ayun no. Ang ganda nung patapos. Grabe, napakaswabe ng boses ni Eira, guys. And guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanyang channel, guys, andyan po sa ating description yung kanyang channel. Supportahan natin si Eira Covers. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating i-react. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.